everybody, this is Kashish Shah and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to make DIYs using jute strings. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. And let me know in the comment section if you remember these clothes, and if you do then please comment and let me know, and if you don't then check out my latest IGTV video which I've posted I think few months back. I don't know, I think 1 or 2. Yeah, let's begin the video now.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가.
For the second one, I took this accessory which I got from my mom's old dress because it was so amazing and I could transform it into a beautiful necklace. So I took an old necklace and took the chain of it and this I don't know what is it, but that's for the attachment, and I took and attached and it is looking so good. So I just want to tell you that if you have something like this then you can definitely try it to transform it something like this which I made. So yeah. Okay, so this one is made by my sister from a lace and a necklace which I never used, and these earrings and a choker both are made from the necklace and it's look just amazing. I don't have a video for it, but you can definitely try to make something like this from the available materials.
널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야. 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나, 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네.
And also I want to tell you that this DIY is suggested by my friend Yash. A few days back I put a story where I asked for an idea to transform this into something good, and I got this from him.
going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴. I'm going crazy. Yeah.
As previous one, this DIY is suggested by my friend Hunar. So thank you so much Hunar for replying.
So thank you so much for suggesting me, and if you also want to suggest me something, I mean anything about my videos, so comment section is there waiting for you. So please go and comment, and yeah, it would be very pleasure for me कि आप comment करो, मुझे बताओगे तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Suggestions for my videos also for DIYs like this. So thank you so much, और आप करो अगर आपको कुछ भी लगता है comment करने जैसा. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please press the like button and also comment, did you like this video and how was it, and also about what should I make next. सजेशंस आपको कुछ देने हैं कि आपको लगता है कि ये मतलब मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ वीडियो में, या तो फिर कुछ भी मेरी से गलती हो जाती है, तो प्लीज़ मुझे बता दीजिए सजेशंस में, ताकि मैं उसके ऊपर ध्यान दे पाऊँ इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो ऑल्सो एडवाइस आर ऑल्सो वेलकम देन एवरीथिंग अबाउट माई वीडियोज़, ताकि मैं भी अपने वीडियोज़ को इम्प्रूव कर पाऊँ. एंड या अगर आपको कुछ भी बताना है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन इज़ देयर. सो प्लीज़ आप कमेंट करके बता दीजिए मुझे एनीथिंग यू लाइक, कुछ भी आपको बताना है. एंड ऑल्सो शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल एंड प्रेस द नोटिफिकेशन बेल नेक्स्ट टू इट, so you will never miss another updates from my channel. And yeah, that's all for today, so see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.
시간은 계속 흘러만 가고